Welcome to Authentic Science Video 52. Secrets of the Stealth Ships. Let's understand the technology behind this. A completely new type of warship, the stealth ship, the one invisible to all enemy radars, may sound like the stuff of a James Bond film. But is it true? Let's see. What is stealth technology? Stealth ship is a ship which employs techniques to hide itself from one or more of radar, visual, sonar and infrared methods. This is done by minimizing these radar signals, infrared signals, etc. In radar, radio waves are used to determine the range, angle or velocity of objects. The electromagnetic signals are emitted by using a transmitter. The deflected signals are then received with the help of a receiver. If we know the actual time gap between the transmission and the receiving, we can correctly understand how far is the object from the ship. If we get the distance covered at two different times, we can calculate the velocity of the ship. How the stealth ship hides from radar. This is done by reducing the radar cross-section area, that is, by avoiding the vertical surfaces and adopting a tumble-home hull design which slope inward from the waterline as shown in the picture. The reflected beam may not return to the same place. Again, the materials that is used for making the superstructure of stealth ship should be transparent to radar waves. That is, instead of metal, we use composite materials like fiber, plastic, etc. The given picture shows the second destroyer ship of US Navy. This is an example for stealth ship. Any heated object produces infrared waves that can be used for detecting ship using satellite. A heat signature can make a ship stand out like a candle in a dark ocean, making it very easier to spot. The given picture shows how infrared image of two live persons look like. Now how this stealth ship escapes this infrared signal. There are two heat sources in a ship. One is the engine, the other one exhaust funnel. The engine should be covered with an insulation material for escaping from infrared rays. Temperature of this exhaust gas is cooled using seawater and then sent out through tunnel. This is how the stealth ship escapes from the infrared signals. Now let's see about the stability of stealth ship. We all know that if weight of underwater volume displaced is equal to its weight, then the ship will float. For attaining stability, the center of gravity, that is G, should be above the center of buoyancy, that is B. In a stealth ship, the underwater volume is not at all changed, but the suprastructure, that is, the structure above the water, is changed. Then, when a ship is subjected to an external disturbance, for example heavy winds and all, it will turn to one side, as shown in the picture, B to B1. This creates a restoring moment on G that makes the ship come back to original position. That is, the ship will rotate a point called metacenter M. This M should be above G for a ship's stability. Thank you.